What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to disable your iPhone from automatically updating to the latest iOS version. Now, if you're like me and you hate new updates and trying to figure stuff out and going through the interface, you might want to enable this until you could end up figuring out the layout before you end up updating your iPhone right away. And most of the time, some of these early versions don't even have the right proper testing, and there's a lot of bugs in there, and you really don't want that on your iPhone at all and have to go through that. So you could just quickly go ahead and open up your settings app on your iPhone, and then just go ahead and scroll down just a little bit until you get to the general option on the settings menu. Going into general now, you're going to go ahead and hit the second button down to head into the software update. And normally this would be where you go to manually update your iPhone. But if you go onto it, you could see that the first option at the top there is for automatic updates. And you could go ahead and click on that. And right now mine is set to on, but I could just go ahead and hit the lever right away to turn it off. One is for download iOS updates, and then the other is for install. Once you turn off download, it's going to turn off install obviously as well. And there's also a short paragraph if you want to read that and find out some more information about how to do this. That is pretty much all there is to it though. But if you did have any questions or were confused on anything throughout the process of this video, comment them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.